Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as Agent Lady. And today, guys, we're going to talk about transfer tax. Well, what is transfer tax? It's one of the fees that you have as part of your closing costs. You're like, oh, why are my closing costs so high? Well, this is part of it. So it's a total of the city and the Commonwealth. So you have 3.278 from the city and 1% from the Commonwealth, which is PA. So 4.278 is the total, and that is split between buyer and seller. So you pay as the buyer 2.139, and as the seller you pay 2.139 unless that's negotiated. So that's what transfer tax is, and actually went up like twice within the last 2 years. Last time it was like 2.05%, and the time before that it was 2%. So as you can see, the city is increasing that percentage to, I guess, get more money. So that pretty much sums it up, guys. That's transfer tax. Expected. It's not going anywhere. If anything, it could go up. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.